On March 24, 1989, an oil tanker named Exxon Valdez was making a trip shipping crude oil from Valdez, Alaska to Long Beach, California. The cargo ship was owned by Exxon Shipping Company and was piloted by Joseph Hazelwood. As it headed south along the coast, the cargo ship ran onto the reef in Prince William Sound in Alaska. The hull ruptured and spilled up to 11 million gallons of crude oil into the water. The oil spilled over a wide area of Prince William Sound and beyond. 3 methods of cleanup were attempted: burning, mechanical cleanup, and chemical dispersant. All 3 had negative health impacts on workers. In the burning attempt, the oil was moved away from the main oil slick. As the oil was burned, chemicals were released into the air such as carbon dioxide, lead, and other toxins. These chemicals were breathed in by the workers. When using skimmers, the machinery continued to clog with kelp and had to be cleaned manually. The dispersant's chemicals were toxic. In addition to the health effects, the oil spill had huge economic effects that included a loss of $300 million through people losing their livelihood commercially fishing and tourism and recreational fishing. This loss in itself has a negative impact on human well-being. It is documented that even 20 years after the oil spill, the depression and suicide rate of people in the local fishing village has risen, as for their loss of jobs. The area of the spill in Prince William Sound is well known as a significant commercial fishing area. 10 million shorebirds live there, along with hundreds of sea otters. The food chain was affected. Both animals and food resources were depleted due to the oil spill. Animals who became drenched in oil tried to lick the oil off of their skin or feathers, resulting in poisoning. Other animals drowned because of the weight of the oil. Seals and other animals with fur were not able to keep their body temperature up, and they died of hypothermia. The oil spill happened as the ship was heading south along the coast in Prince William Sound in Alaska. This happened in the location because the captain was intoxicated and didn't notice the reefs they were going over. This is significant because it resulted in the death of countless lives of wildlife, millions of dollars of cleanup, and a permanent negative impact on the environment on the coast and everywhere else in the world.